Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I am here at Walmart, as you can see. And I'm here trying to finish up my Weekend Warrior and my buzzer beater bonus. So I need 13 rebates. As long as everything's in stock, I'm going to get those 13 rebates. I'm going to get an extra $8, and this is going to be an incredible haul. So go ahead and get ready to save, because we're about to get some deals. Okay guys, so this first deal that we're going to do is not an Ibotta rebate, but it's actually a Fetch deal. I have two different rebates for Fetch. I have a $1.50 off of one, and then I have $1 off of one. So these are $3.48. I'm going to submit this to Fetch. I'm going to get $2.50 off. So basically I'm going to get me some really cheap Doritos for about $1 or 92 cents. Okay guys, so our next deal is going to be on the Jello mixes. It is an Ibotta rebate. Now on the Ibotta rebate, it does say Jello mix. So the Jello mixes are $1.24. Now I just wanted to test something, because I'm not really a big Jello mix eater, but I will eat Jello. So the sugar-free Jellos are $1, and I did scan them, and it does work with the rebate, as well as the other ones for $1.26. But I'm going to go the cheapy route. I'm going to get the dollar ones, which are these here, and we do have a rebate for 10 cents. So these are going to be 90 cents for me. So let's throw them in the cart and let's finish our rebate. Okay guys, so here we go with these Renewed cones again. You have to buy 3 and you get $1 back from Ibotta. So I'm going to grab 3 of them. And like I said, I don't have a problem with paying $1 for these, because I use these all the time in my bathroom. So we're going to go ahead and get these, and that's going to cost us $2. So it's like buying 2 and getting 1 for free. Okay guys, so our next deal is going to be on this Glad Cling and Seal. Now I had to move out of the aisle because the music is like blaring in here for some reason. I don't know if it's because it's not hardly anyone in here. So these Glad Cling and Seals are, on the website it says that they're $3.42, but the shelf says that they're $3. So I'm hoping I'm going to get these for $3. These are going to attach to 2 different rebates. It's going to attach to the 10 cent any plastic wrap rebate, and then the 75 cents Cling and Seal rebate. So that'll be a total of 85 cents that we're going to get off of these. So that should make these $2.23 out of pocket. So we're going to go ahead and grab these. That's 2 more rebates that we have knocked out. Now the other item that we're going to get is this here Palmolive Shake and Clean Starter Kit. Now this is not only an Ibotta deal, but it's also a Shopkick deal. So this is $2.48. We're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Shopkick to get a total of 200 kicks. And that is going to give us 80 cents off. And then this also attaches to the 10 cent any dishwasher rebate. Sorry guys, it's so loud. They were coming by with a thing, but okay. So it's going to give you 200 kicks, which is 80 cents, and then it's also going to attach to another rebate, which is a 10 cent dish soap rebate. So this attaches to 2 rebates. So after the scans and kicks, you're going to pay 83 cents out of pocket. I think that's pretty good, and don't forget to scan it in the store. Okay, the next rebate we're going to get is the any egg rebate. So you want to look for these. The Great Value half a dozen, 6 eggs. They're $1.02, and we're going to submit this to Ibotta for a 10 cent any egg rebate. So that would make them 92 cents. Again, another rebate knocked out. Okay, our next item is the Craisins. It's the 5 ounce only. These are $2.34. We're going to submit these to Ibotta for $1 off. So that makes these $1.34. Another rebate down. Alrighty guys, we're going to grab some of the Pepsi minis. So they're all out of the regular Pepsi, but I will take the cherry Pepsi because I do like those. They're $2.98. We're going to submit this to Ibotta and get $1 off. So these will be $1.98. Our next deal is going to be on the Crest 3D White Professional Whiter Teeth, and it is $6.97. We're going to use this $3 off coupon that was in your P&G insert. It doesn't expire till April 30th. So then we're going to pay $3.97 at the register. We're going to submit to Ibotta for another $3 back, and this is just going to be 97 cents out of pocket. Also, this one attaches to 2 rebates. It's going to attach the $3 Crest rebate and also the 10-cent any toothpaste rebate. Another toothpaste deal that we're going to do is the Sensodyne Nourish toothpaste. It's $6.47. We're going to use this $2 off coupon that was in your 3/6 save. So that's going to bring it down to $4.47. And then we're going to submit this to Shopkick. There is a Shopkick deal for 715 kicks, which adds up to $2.86. So that means that this is going to be 61 cents out of pocket. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this. I think we're going to do the healthy white. All right, so here is a body wash deal that we're going to do. It's on the soft soap body washes. You can choose any of them, any of the scents. You see they have 1,000,001 scents. But I'm going to get one of the limited editions. They're still $3.97. I'm going to use this $1 off coupon, and that's going to make it $2.97. And then I'm going to submit to Ibotta for another $1.25. So that's going to make this $1.72 out of pocket. All right, guys, this is a Shopkicks deal. We're going to grab this Dove Men's Shampoo and Conditioner. It is $1.73, and we're going to scan a big one, because remember with Shopkicks we always scan big, buy little. So we're going to scan a big one but buy the little one. The little one is $1.73. Between our scans and kicks, we're going to get $1.90 back. So this is going to be like a 17-cent moneymaker. Here's another one for the deodorant. The deodorant is $1.97. We're going to get 475 scans and kicks, so that's $1.90 back. So that'd be like 7 cents out of pocket. These make great travel items. Okay, guys, so this is everything that we're going to get today. The Glad Wrap, the eggs, the Palmolive, the Jello, the 2 Dove Men Cares, the Doritos, the Craisins, soft soap body wash, Crest toothpaste, the Renews It, the Nourish toothpaste, and the Pepsis. So let's head up to the register and let's see what our outcome is. We did get all 12 of our rebates, so we're going to get both of our bonuses. Alrighty, guys, so I'm back home and I'm ready to go over my receipt. So here it is. There's the Pepsi, the dry fruit, which is the Craisins, the Jello, the Doritos, the deodorant, the Men's Dove deodorant, the soft soap body wash, the gel cone, which is what they're calling the Renews It, and then the other Dove body wash, the other 2 gel cones. Sorry guys, I dropped the receipt. Then the dishwashing liquid kit, the Palmolive kit, the Cling Wrap, the Crest, the Sensodyne Nourish toothpaste, and then the eggs. And you see all of my coupons came off for the Sensodyne, for the body wash, the soft soap body wash, and then for the Crest. Okay, so my total was $34.98, but I got back $7.46 from Shopkick. I also got back $2.60 from Fetch. So I was only counting the $2.50 that I was getting back from the Doritos on Fetch, but I forgot that I was getting a couple of cents for the Dove and the Pepsi drinks. So I should have figured that in. So that's what gave me the extra 10 cents. And then I got back $18.15 from Ibotta. There were $10 worth of rebates, and then I got $8 for finishing the buzzer beater bonus, as well as $3 for finishing my weekend warrior bonus. So all of that comes to $28.21. And when you subtract that from the $34.98, I spent $6.77 out of pocket. Now, I'm not normally I'm not used to, rather, spending that much out of pocket for Walmart. But I think I got a bunch of stuff that I don't normally coupon for, and it's things that I really need and use, like the Glad Clean Wrap, the Craisins, the Pepsis, the Doritos, the Palmolive, the toothpaste, and the little doves are going in some little gift baskets that I'm doing. So I think this was definitely a productive haul. But if you divide the $6.77 by the 15 items that I got, then I only pay 45 cents per item. So that is still an excellent deal. Plus, it gave me 12 rebates towards that big 115 item bonus rebate that I have to get $35. I don't know why they gave me so many, but if I get it, I get it. If I don't, I don't. But guys, if you haven't downloaded Ibotta, please do so. I put the link in the description box as well as in the comments. All you have to do is click on it and go ahead and start redeeming rebates. I also put the rebate in there, the link in there for Fetch, so that you can get some points and get gift cards, because that's how I pay for my couponing, with gift cards that I earn from buying items. So if you like any of these deals, let me know in the comments. If you've already done them, let me know. Or if you plan on doing them, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. Tweet it out to everyone. Text it out. Send it in Messenger. And even share it on your Facebook. But until the next time, keep on saving.